How to make a public profile on Snapchat under 18. Hello and welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you some ways you can make your public profile on Snapchat under 18. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Head over to your Snapchat app. Here, make sure that you are logged into your Snapchat account. Then tap onto your Bitmoji icon on your top left. Tap on Settings icon on your top right again. And here, scroll below. Under Privacy Control, you will see an option that says Contact Me. Tap Open it and make sure that you have toggled on Friends and Contacts. Go back and tap on View My Story. Here, if you see Public option, tap on Public. If not, just tap on Friends Only. Then tap on See Me in Quick Add. Make sure that you have checked this box. Now this is how you can make your public profile. And in case if your birthday indicates that you are 18 or older when you create a public profile, but then you later change your birth date to under 18, then your public profile will be deleted. Also be noted that you may not be able to have a public profile if you don't stick to the community guidelines of Snapchat. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.